Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to go ahead and edit a funeral thank you card. But first I'm going to mention the things you cannot change on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. The only thing you can't change are the flowers. Everything else on this template can be changed. You can change the color of the background, the font, the size, and the color. And that is for all the text that you see on this template. So let's start making changes to this template. You would double click so you can change the name here. This is grouped, meaning you can move both of these items at once. If you want to ungroup it, you go to the top right and click ungroup, and this would allow you to select each item on its own. You would ungroup this section as well, and you would go ahead and edit the name here along with the date. Let's upload a picture. We are gonna drag and drop the picture. You have the Spanish template below, along with the back of the design of the Spanish and English template. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.